I can't present a video series on the Philippines without talking about the elephant in the room, earthquakes. From September 30th to October 17th, several powerful tremors have struck, some reaching magnitude 7, reminding everyone that this island nation lies on one of Earth's most active geological zones. Beneath the sea, west of Luzon, runs the Manila Trench, where the Eurasian plate dives beneath the Philippine Sea Plate, building enormous pressure. Through the center of the island, the Philippine Fault Line snakes more than 1,200 kilometers, capable of producing major inland quakes. And to the east, the Philippine Trench marks another subduction zone, where immense tectonic forces continually reshape the region. The result? A breathtakingly beautiful country. If you are interested in Earth science, the Philippines is a geology lover's dream.
She